Hello, my name is Josh Obert, and I am a GIS analyst with the ACPF National Hub. In this video, we're going to discuss the WASCOB Basins Tool. This is the final tool in the impoundment siting section of the ACPF Toolbox. The WASCOB Basins Tool finds the potential storage of ponded up water upstream of each WASCOB. This is done by burning the WASCOB's feature into a filled DEM using the embankment height value. Sink regions are then delineated behind them. Erroneous WASCOBs should be manually deleted prior to running. Another option is to select only WASCOBs of interest before running. The output of this tool is going to be a polygon feature class, and then optionally, a depth raster may also be generated. In ArcGIS Pro, we will open the catalog window in the right side of the screen, if it isn't already open, by clicking the catalog tab. Expand our ACPF toolbox and expand impoundment siting. Double-click the WASCOB Basins tool to open. This tool has 4 inputs that it's asking for. The first is our WASCOB's feature class from the previous tool, and we can add that in the first drop-down as it's already in our map. When choosing the WASCOB feature class, 2 of our other inputs auto-populate. These are our filled DEM and our flow direction raster. The last required input is our Z factor. Once again, 0.01. The output we're going to get is our WASCOB Basins Polygon feature class. We also have the optional output of a WASCOB Basin depth raster. We will create this. You don't have to, but it may help to understand the construction of the WASCOBs. We will click the folder and navigate to our file geodatabase. We will name this WASCOB Basin Depth, and then as always, end in our HUC12 ID. Click Save, and then click Run to run the tool. The WASCOB Basins tool has finished running, and we can see that the results, a Basins feature class and a Basin depth raster, have been added to our map. Right-click on the basins in the table of contents and click Attribute Table. Each basin has the ID for its corresponding WASCOB. We also get the storage in acre-feet and the surface area in hectares. We also have our WASCOB Basin depth raster. We can view those by turning off the basins in the table of contents. Click on the depth raster in the table of contents and click the Symbology tab in the right panel to open the Symbology window. For color scheme, we will select Purple Red Continuous. We will also change the statistics dropdown to DRA. Now we get an idea of the actual structure of that basin, where the deepest point will be, how much of it is going to be shallow, things of that nature. I'm also going to mention here, if you have a watershed planner with you or have some knowledge yourself on the engineering of WASCOBs, feel free to select these WASCOBs and change the angle of how they are placed or the size if something makes more sense to you. Then rerun this tool. The output will vary slightly based on how that WASCOB was burned into your filled DEM. So please explore and see the engineering potential behind these tools. To recap, we ran the WASCOB Basins tool and discussed how these can be used to investigate our landscape. In the next video, we will run the first riparian assessment tool, Create Riparian Catchments.